Why are you recording? Why not?
I like Ryan Reynolds.
Because sake bomb time, sake bomb.
Smoking aces. I love smoking aces.
Would you do me a huge favor?
Yeah.
I need you to record.
What do I film?
We're doing.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
I can already see your
You just gotta blow the fire, man. I gotta see a trailer. You know what?
Whiplash!
Mickey Rourke. Mickey Rourke.
No, who cares?
The ramp. Not the ramp.
I'm not talking about baby. What I'm talking about is Whiplash.
All right.
And he's like, shit, he cuts up a race car in half.
Are we ready? Are we
ever seen that in the cartoon?
Come on,
Iron Man, get your. They have two buildings.
Fill yours up. Are you enjoying this facial?
Whiplash and technically,
Justin Hammer.
no, the other one.
Oh,
Just in time for a hammering?
I don't have a puck rock boys. It's Hammer. Okay. I'm gonna borrow this one from Christy. Condoms and rattlesnakes, neither one's fun to fuck with. I don't know. Call it Iron Man.
Woo!
He's like the competitor, jealous of in each one.
So I have to explain this for everyone on the internet. I love my grandparents to death, but they gave me an Old Navy shirt like 3 years ago.
That's unforgivable.
Yes.
Okay, I got it. I got the story.
Not yet. It gets worse. 4 that had
Right here and
You're not Brian. Brian is like, no.
following the rest of the
All right.
pepperoni pizza.
Thank you.
Pepperoni's that guy.
Ranch
chicken. That is mine.
You gotta move.
Right now? Well, I'll move here at least.
Calamari is over here.
Nick, you wanna move?
Holy shit.
Thank you.
This is a true food. Yeah, I don't know what to. I got a huge tuna and crab. So whatever. I will tell that.
Okay. Thank you.
Atlantic over here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We're good.
And I had two tuna.
Are we the biggest table here?
Yeah, we have to be.
All right. That's right.
Victory!
crab special.
Hey! Bermuda just showed up.
I know.
When we get our food.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
Oh man,
They're moving around. I think those two are yours, right? Right?
Yeah, fantastic.
You guys are right over here.
I'm gonna be.
Should I finish real fast?
Yes.
Okay, just super fast. I love my grandparents to death. They gave me an Old Navy shirt that had 4 pockets. 4 pockets. Like if you were an Uber nerd, just the size for a flash drive. That's about it. Right here, all in the same place. Not all over the shirt. 4 tiny little pockets right here. It was completely unusable and looked horrible. I hated it. I gave it to the Salvation Army. I'm sorry, Grandma and Grandpa.
But you use it for 4 test
What about
tubes.
that Spider-Man shirt that they gave you that was like Lycra? Do you remember that shit?
I don't.
I do.
I don't even remember that.
You were gonna give it to me.
Oh, that's right. No, that was the same gift. It was the 4 one, and then the one that was like super tight, and it was 3/4 length arms. Oh, the bane of my existence. I hate 3/4 length arms to death.
Look at all the food here. Look at Bermuda.
Got some questions. You immediately become the prime suspect because your fecal matter was tied to somebody else.
Season 3 of Dexter all over again. I gotta find a new dumping ground. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so dumping ground. Oh my god.
Suspect shits on the bodies. You don't know why.
Can you dust shit for fingerprints? I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe someone can imprint it really good.
But seriously, you make the teeth out of porcelain, fake teeth.
Yeah, you're
May as well.
dusting for shit prints? Like, what is it?
I love my job. That's why every apartment you go to, there's a locked door. with the slanted downward shit. They say your furnace is in there, but it's fucking living garden of Warwick Davis shit. Hiding in there, eating cabbage, seducing your children.
Warwick Davis, if I can have Van Bartigan.
Man, Mardigan, what about the baby? What about the baby?
I don't know what it is.
Eating cabbage. I don't know.
What's the golden eye, man?
Because they're living in gardens, because they're known as cabbage and gardens.
It's true. Okay, like we needed that table. And I'm like, I'm like super shy, so I was like leaning, and I made eye contact.
Get out of the way, Luke.
I made eye contact with her, right? Like leaning, and then like she looked at me. I was like, let's head forward. I was terrified. But anyway, she was over there, right?
The vagina, hypno gaze.
And Adam's like, fine, I'll just do it. So he goes there to ask him at the table, and they're like, thank God, we thought you were like creepers, and you were like looking at us all this stuff, and we thought you were gonna film us. And Adam's like, oh, that's gonna happen. And he hands me the camera. He goes up there and he hits on both of them. It's gonna be on YouTube.
They were like 80 years old.
Yeah,
He was
and
25.
At least 80 years.
They had eight cougar claws between them.
On top of that, they were both like super like giggly when he hit on them.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. I don't
Yeah.
know.
It's the truth.
Yeah.
One of them was like, I'm married, but she's single. And I was like, oh, well then I need to be hitting on this other dude.
Yeah. And then Rachel ordered the tossed salad rim job raspberry margarita.
That was
Ladies
you.
margarita.
That was you. That was you.
And they were like, ooh.
No, you don't want to film this. Trust me.
I can edit shit out.
I don't know. It's pretty disturbing.
He's like,
I was like, Rachel, you need to have a kid, then put it up for adoption, then immediately adopt another child, a different child. The whole point being, it's like a game, like a Disney Pixar movie, they have to find their way home, right? And I start laughing. And then he goes, but it's a trap because you get a sex change.
The parents have a section. So it's like parent, kids, pedo trap of jolly goodness. Because it's in Britain, so it's jolly. And then everyone has fun.
Oh shit.
Chin chin.
Chin chin?
Chin chin.
What's chin chin?
That's what they say in another country.
No. We gotta have a real one. Fortuna Fortisas?
No, we'll do it for medium.
Okay.
Up to it, down to it. Fuck those who don't do it. We do it because we're used to it. So let the liquor flow.
I liked how he like watched it. He's just like,
That's how you do.
Oh, I am so glad I didn't try it.
Me too.
I am fucked up.
Really? Do you want to spend the night? I am not good to go.
you talking about Hawaiians and Hawaiian, like native Hawaiians.
Native one.